Welcome, Solana lovers. We have an exciting morning today. We are pumping. Yeah! Where is this pump coming from? Let's find out. So, Solana, this morning is pumping. So we go to 1 hour chart. Let's get a little look at this. It's going to zoom in here. So we were in this downward channel for a little while. Let's have a little look how long we were there for. So we had the recently local top, which was June 22nd. It came down, it bounced up. It was going between these two levels, between 1630 and 1722, kind of getting above it, going down. It's just going up and going down. I was doing a little bit DCAing during this time, not massive amounts, £20 here, £20 there, that kind of thing. Unfortunately, not hundreds at a time. And yeah, yesterday I could see it was getting some weakness. It was going down, and I didn't say any buy orders. This is the thing. We got to 15 at one point, so it went down to 115 down there. 15.70. I didn't set any buy orders. I figured, okay, well, maybe we'll go down this channel for a bit longer. When you are complacent, you think, oh, we'll go down some more. Things can surprise you. And then we got a little bit going up. Okay, things are going up a little bit. This is the 1 hour chart. And it just rocketed just now. Like, what the hell is going on? Massive volume, big volume. These 1 hour lines, and we went up from that point just there, pumped it up, and we've gone up. It's getting a little bit of retracement. So now it's at 7%, but we were at 9% a moment ago. Let's get into the 30-minute time scale. See what's going on there. Maybe we'll get a bit more in the 15, maybe 5. Let's go for 5 to get more detail. I'll change my candles here, so then you can see those as well. So I don't want hollow candles. I won't get candles. Everyone likes candles. I prefer sticks and out the colors just to save the mental state from seeing red and green all the time. So yeah, so now we're kind of like on a 5-minute. So we went up, shot up a lot there. These 5-minute intervals went all the way up to that. Well, I did have 9% a minute ago, so maybe I'm more down from here and then went up to there. So that was the rise. Where is today? We're the 29th today. Oh, here we go. So we have today gone from, there's midnight, just about. We've gone up a total of 10.22% in the space of 9 hours. So that is pretty good going. So if you had your entry there, you held in, you've gone up, you've made yourself 10%. If you've got $1,000, you made $100, etc., etc. So what is going on with that? Like on a 1 hour candle, that's like just skyrockets up. We might see a little bit of correction happening, but at the moment we're on 45 there. So at the moment we're just going up and up and up. Now, when I did my analysis, and I'm not a trader, I'm not going to pretend to know how to trade and all that things and no analysis, but you can see this white line that I've got here. I set an alert for when it crosses there, because about a day ago I was thinking, okay, what's the next point of resistance? So that was the local top there, and we didn't break through that. So let's go on a daily, just try and get a sense of where's our bloody thing on here? Hang on, scroll down. Correct our view here. I'm on a view we do not want here now. How do we get out of that? Right, hang on, give me a moment. Can I pause the stream? No, I can't. Once you're in the stream, you're in the stream. Okay, I'm getting logmarific here. I don't want that. Let's refresh this. Is that, nope, you're not going to give me a different view. Right, we got our trading views taking a long time. These do take up quite a lot of space, a lot of RAM. This computer does not have much going in terms of RAM. Right, okay, I think we're a little bit better here now. Not too sure. Let's get on 1 day. No, our trading view is gone squiggly woo, and we have an issue there. Right, what can I do? Can I move that up? No. Where can I see my view? Right, it's not what you want during a stream. Price scale reset. Oh, it's regular apparently. I don't know what's going on with it. Whoa. Oh, that's better. Don't know what happened there. So anyway, let's move this down. Let's get into it. So where were we? We're going to zoom back in. Zoom back in. What was I looking for? So I was looking at trying to find some key levels. So we experienced resistance at the 16. Oh no, 17. So yeah, 17.22. We then went up. It became support. Then we kind of broke through the support, and now we're cracked back up. And then looking at what was next levels after that, 18 so, and I think we've had 18 so. So we've had 18 so as a little bit of support here back in March. And then we've got a bit of support here at 1919. So anyway, those are the kind of levels I was thinking, okay, if it's going to go up, it's going to go up. Could look at the Fibonacci and all that kind of thing, but I'm not a trader, as I said, not particularly trained in those things. But you can get an idea if you use different indicators of kind of support levels and resistant levels. Anyway, why is it going that much? Now we want to find out. So that's why you're here. And what do we do? So first of all, I'm going to take us to cryptopanic.com. And CryptoPanic is an aggregator of news basically from Twitter or different publishers like Telegraph, The Desk, other things like that, The Block. And I put in Solana. So we had someone 8 hours ago, there was an article about price expected to see a bounce from the level it's currently out, which is it was at a low level 8 hours ago. As we said, 9 hours ago, we had that bounce there. Here we go, Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci retracement, I should say. So let's go into that. Let's see what this article has. This is from ambcrypto.com. Ticking. Hey, Roger. Hey, Roger, how you doing, buddy? Oh, he's gone, but thanks for joining us here. Yes, $16. Smashing it. So let's read this article. Let's see what's going on. We'll get me in the shot so you can at least connect with me as a human being rather than just a screen. So let's see. So this analysis was from last night, 9 hours ago, 8 hours ago. Solana price is expected to see a bounce from this level. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level offered a good opportunity to buy SOL, but the indicator showed a downward trend was brewing. So the 4-hour market structure of Solana was bearish, but the risk to reward was reasonable. The Fibonacci retracement levels helped determine where the bulls would be invalidated. Solana presented a risky buying opportunity for lower time frame traders. Its trend market structure was bearish on the higher frames, but the analysis of the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart showed a bounce price was possible. So I guess kind of like what I was saying, we had a range and it was going down, and we saw this bounce up. So this is what they predicted. So talking about Bitcoin prices, etc. Short-term Solana trend was on the verge of shifting bearish, and that's what we had. We had last night. It was coming down, and then we had Fibonacci, which we could not zoom in more into. Let's see what the analysis says. The 4-hour structure of the bearish was bearish. Sol moved to 1770. It formed a higher low at the 1660 on 23rd of June. Since then, the price has sunk below blah, 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 blah. Downward trend. A set Fibonacci retracement level was plotted based on Sol bounce from 1280 to 1772. 75 even. It showed a 50% retracement level at the Okay, if this sounds like gobbledygook, we'll have to try and find some simple breakdowns of what these words mean. Anyway, that didn't really tell us a lot. If you don't know what Fibonacci sequence is, Fibonacci retracement tool, etc., let me see if I can just find that now. So where have they plotted that? They plotted that at the... Is this a Bitcoin or is this a... No, this is USDC. Ah, here we go. Let's do that. We've got a good view now. Right, so we're just going to use their chart rather than me trying to create that. So, don't know what price bit that was. Okay, that's the fib lines. Oh, okay, that's great. So that was like your risk toward. So the risk was the red zone. So we had a possible risk of it coming down there to under 15. And reward-wise, shooting up to this now. Well, heading up into the 18, 7, 16, 19 area, I should say. So Fibonacci, kind of that 50% level, would have been down here if it hit that. So it might have done that, and that was based on the low there, that low there, and then I guess tracing up to there. Not too sure. I'll have to get back into using the fib. I have used it before. It's been a while, but that seems to be what it was saying last night. So there was indication there would be a bounce. We're now seeing the bounce. Are we seeing any more stories about this, about what's going on? So is it just because of trading? Is it because some sort of news came out? Is there something happened to make everyone bullish? So German regulators reported rejects Binance. No, that's not bullish. MicroStrategy buys more Bitcoin. So that could be it. So maybe Bitcoin is pumping. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin USDC, 1 day. So in terms of 1 day, Bitcoin's not gone massively pumping. I mean, it's not rocketing out of the 30s. It's like not major moves going on there. If we go on to... Let's go on to CoinGecko, see what the kind of things we're looking at across the board. So when I woke up this morning, like I saw red on the crypto market, and then during coffee in Gary Club, and if you're not aware of what Gary Club is, make sure you hit the link down below in the comment box. There'll be details there about how to join Gary Club over on Discord. You need to be a giraffe to access that. If you don't know what Giraffe Tower is, we are a community of creators who want to make money, who like to make money. And we are basically a community supporting each other, helping each other. We have the tech that social connector has been built by Gary Henderson and his team, and it powers everything. So if you are here live right now, or you're going to watch this video later on, make sure, as Raja did, to hit the comments box. Make sure you join my Discord server. There'll be a link for that as well in the pinned comment below. And if you come and you tell me that you commented on my video, I will give you some fuzzy coin. And that is something rewarded to you. Cryptocurrency on a Solana blockchain to use in our ecosystem. And you can learn a lot more about what fuzzy coin is and what you can do with fuzzy coin. So let's have a little look. So we had in total market cap, we only had a 0.7% up in the last 24 hours. Total market trading, total cryptocurrency trading the last day has been 34.3 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at a 48.7% and Ethereum is at 18.4%. So CoinGecko is now tracking just shy of 10,000 cryptocurrencies. Okay, so it's been a bit of a green, not massive greens for everyone, but enough greens. I think Solana here, if we look at this, we look at the last 24 hours. We're going to reschedule that. So Solana's doing great. Solana is doing the best right now. If you bought in the last 24 hours and before the pump, you have made yourself 8-9%, depending on where you got in. In the last 7 days, it's only 2.2. In the last 1 hour, it's gone up another 1.4. The only other one is Synthetics Network that's gone above us. And Synthetics Network is Synthetic Stocks. That is on the Ethereum blockchain. Oh, if that was on Solana, I would definitely be trading Synthetics, that's for sure. Yeah, and Bitcoin Cash is doing pretty good. Bitcoin Cash is doing very good on the 7-day. So those Bitcoin Cash people, woo, good luck to you. You're doing well. Yeah, that seems to be it. Kind of, who else is it? Aptos. We don't even talk about Aptos. H-bar. So yeah, this looks like they're doing good. Let's have a look at the 7-hour all the way. Bitcoin Cash is at the top in the last 7 days. Then in the 1 hour. And in the 1 hour, Bitcoin Cash is doing really well. So Bitcoin Cash looking very healthy right now today. Pepe's coming up there. So it's in the last 1 hour, it's got 3%. So Pepe's still going strong. Yeah, so that's that. So let's have a look. Have we got any gainers and losers today? We'll get rid of the trading view while we're looking for that. That's just going to slow us down on our computer. Okay, so discover the largest gainers and losers in the last 24 hours. So here on CoinGecko, you can also use CoinMarketCap as well. So biggest gainers, just some tokens I've never heard of, except for Roll Bitcoin, but I don't know anything really about that. Helium doing not too badly. Dust is still going. I do want to find out what's going on with Dust because I might want to use that for something. Yeah, so that's that. Radium. And then biggest losers, all on this other side here on the right. And then we don't really know any of these people. There's random coins out. Who knows? So that's the last 24 hours. Oh, this is, by the way, in Great British Pounds. So maybe I should switch that to USD just for the fact that everyone trades in USD. Cool. So, oh yes, Marmalade or Marmalade, yeah. They're doing really well. That's a DEX on Solana, and that's their native token for their ecosystem. Something I want to check out because you get staked rewards within the pricing of that, so that's kind of interesting. Might want to stake some Sol, make some money on that. Anyway, we're getting distracted. We're getting shiny squirrels are everywhere. So we don't know a huge amount there. I guess it was predicted. Nothing's really coming out in crypto panic that would give me a lot of indication what's going on and why that's happening. Bitcoin was trading flat. So yeah, maybe there'll be some news later on today. Who knows? Nothing majorly has happened in the last 2 hours, but yeah, we've seen a big pump in the last 2 hours. So yeah, it's hard to say what that is all about. So crypto debunking could drive industry underground. That was the Australian Treasury. Aha, here we go. So 2 hours ago, trader predicts a 50% rally for altcoins. That surged 28x in 2 months. So look what that is. So that's like Chainlink and Ethereum. Yeah, well, I guess we'll just find out later on today. We'll see what Twitter happens going on Twitter. Usually Twitter's quite good for things going on. Have we got any trending here in the UK? Just GMs. Let's see what's going on with Sol. Give me the trends on that. Get on the latest. No idea. Nothing coming out yet. So still early mornings over in the US, the UK, Europe. Asia's been awake for a while. We'll see what happens. So anyway, that was it. Is this the start of a bull run? Probably not. Will there be a correction? I think there might be. That kind of up usually has a bit of correction, but then it will go back up again. So if you are buying SOL, hopefully you DCA'd in the last few weeks. You kept on DCAing, building up your bag. Don't FOMO in at this point, I would say. Myself personally, I'm not buying. I've got no capital to deploy at all at this point in time, but I'll be looking for that retracement, maybe set some buy orders, and then see what happens. Anyway, have a lovely day. Make sure you hit all the buttons below, watch some other videos, and take care. Bye-bye.